When it comes to automated writing tools, Writesonic and ContentBot are two of the most popular options on the market. But which one offers more features and better value for money? In this video, we're diving into a comparison of Writesonic versus ContentBot and exploring which one might be the better choice for your content needs. Stick around because we'll be revealing a better alternative at the end of the video that might just blow both of these tools out of the water. Let's start with Writesonic, a tool known for its simplicity and ability to generate high-quality copy across a range of formats. Writesonic offers features like blog post generation, product descriptions, ad copy, and social media posts. The interface is straightforward, and for beginners, it's quite easy to get the hang of. You can generate long-form content, but here's where it starts to get tricky. The long-form editor feels a bit limiting, especially if you're trying to write something more in-depth or creative. It lacks some of the fine-tuning options that power users might expect. Next thing, let's talk about ContentBot. ContentBot offers many of the same features as Writesonic, like blog posts, emails, and social media content generation. However, ContentBot shines in its ability to craft more personalized content. It has a smart writer that can use keywords you provide and generate more context-driven content. But like Writesonic, ContentBot can struggle with generating truly unique long-form content. The platform can often produce content that feels generic or lacks depth, especially when you need more complex ideas to come to life. The third thing we need to address is the quality of output. Writesonic tends to generate more polished copy out of the box. It's not always perfect, but it's easier to use for basic tasks without needing much editing afterward. On the other hand, ContentBot often requires more tweaking to make the content sound natural. This can be a big time saver for some, but for others, the extra work might feel like a hassle. Now, the fourth thing to mention is pricing. Writesonic has a more flexible pricing model. While it starts out affordable for smaller businesses or individuals, the more advanced features, like long-form content generation, can get pricey quickly. ContentBot offers slightly lower pricing for the basic plans, but again, you'll face the same issue as Writesonic when it comes to needing more features. At the higher tiers, the pricing isn't drastically different, but neither tool offers an overwhelmingly superior pricing structure compared to other competitors in the market. The fifth thing to consider is integrations. Writesonic offers integrations with Surfer SEO, which is a great tool if you're looking to optimize your content for search engines. Unfortunately, ContentBot lacks this level of integration, which might be a deal breaker if SEO is a big part of your content strategy. The sixth point we need to touch on is customer support. Both platforms offer solid customer service, but Writesonic tends to have a faster response time. ContentBot's support team can sometimes take a little longer to resolve issues, which can be frustrating when you're on a deadline. At the end of the day, both Writesonic and ContentBot have their strengths, but neither is perfect. So, which one should you go for? Honestly, if you're looking for something simple and easy to use with a variety of features, Writesonic is the better choice. But if you're looking for a more personalized experience with a lot of potential for content optimization, ContentBot might be the way to go. However, after trying both of these tools myself, I have to say, there's a better alternative that I found. If you want something that delivers higher quality content with more in-depth features, plus a better user experience, I recommend checking out the free trial link in the description below. Through our exclusive link, you'll get access to a special offer that you won't find anywhere else, and trust me, it's worth it. Both Writesonic and ContentBot have their places in the market, but if you're after the best writing automation tool for producing more effective content, I suggest taking advantage of the free trial linked below. You'll get the best features without the hassle, and I'm sure you'll see the difference right away. Don't miss out.